On the banks of the Yangtze River in Yunyang, Chongqing, at 400 meters above sea level, the Ball Citrus Orchard embraces smart agriculture. Partnering with EAVISION UAVs, the orchard benefits from year-round intelligent management, from pest monitoring to precision spraying. Drones provide full-cycle protection. With AI and data analytics cutting pesticide use by 30%, and saving 60% in labor costs. Green tech ensures efficient and eco-friendly farming. More than a grove, it's an innovation base for smart agriculture. EAVISION is tech defining the future of farming.